Okay, so picture this. A 3-year-old child says, "I goed to the kitchen," instead of "I went." But how? Nobody taught them goed, they created it. To uncover how such a simple quirk of language helped spark a major shift in psychological research, we first need to look at what came before. Back in the early 1900s, psychology treated the mind as an unknowable black box, and for it to be a serious science, it should only study what we can actually observe. So, behavior. Behaviorists, like B.F. Skinner, treated learned behavior as a stimulus-response relationship, shaped by reinforcement. In the context of language, this could mean a parent saying the word dog, followed by the child imitating this, and if correct, being reinforced. However, this idea was sharply criticized, for example, by linguist Noam Chomsky. What was his argument? I goed. Children create words that they've never heard, and never been rewarded for saying, even after hearing the correct term. This means they infer rules, such as adding an ed to the past tense of go, which can't be explained by pure imitation and reinforcement. So, to explain behavior, we have to model what's inside the mind too. And this is what we call the cognitive revolution, the movement which shifted psychology from only measuring behavior to explaining it via mental processes. By using the analogy of the brain as an information processing system, much like a computer, cognitive scientists map inputs to processes to outputs to test how thinking works. In a roundabout way, models initially created to study our cognitive processes have now led to artificial intelligence. Today's AIs, like ChatGPT or Gemini, are based on simulations of the brain's neural networks. But do we really process information linearly, like a computer? Well, evidence points toward our brain being more dynamic, where information flows in countless ways before converging into something like a thought. So while modern AI is amazing at prediction, it may take more than predictive power to mimic actual human reasoning.